everyone, it's Rachael from Merrick Makings. Thanks for joining me for another Monochromatic Instahop. This week's colour chosen was Real Red, and you will see that I have chosen, because it's a really great colour, I do really love Real Red, I'm going to use it in all of its glory and use a lot of it. So I have used the Thoughtful Wishes stamp set and the Spotlight on Nature dies, which are these wonderful circle dies for this card. So the Spotlight on Nature I've used a couple of times if you've seen a few of my videos and if you're following me over on my social media. They're a really great image. They don't take a lot to colour, and this one I've coloured both with watercolour and my Stampin' Blends. Not a traditional combination, but I wanted a lot of different colour variation in my tones, so that's what I did. So my card is a very basic layering of basic white, basic black, real red, and then a couple of those circle dies in the white and the red as well. And then I'm just in this part of my video, I am heat embossing. I've gone on a bit of a heat embossing kick lately. I do love this white Wow embossing powder, and I know Stampin' Up is now stocking Wow embossing, which is great. And you can see me heat setting this embossing powder. It melts really beautifully, it covers really well, and you get a really crisp white sentiment when you or image when you actually stamp it with your Versamark, which is what I love. And of course I do have my embossing buddy as well, which is a part of the embossing kit that you can buy from Stampin' Up. So this one is very simple, like I said, which I do try for the monochromatic hops. I try to keep these as like simple, more for your kind of beginner cards, but also just to show off how simple card making can be. Make sure that you are poking out all those little bits. I did notice in the video that as I was making it that I had missed a few. And originally this is what I was going for, the black background and making it pop out with the red there, but I really did want that extra bit of red. So as you can see at the end of the video, it's quite a red card. So very simple. I have stamped and coloured and die cut that one little image, and I am now going to pop it up on the background. So our Instahops over at Instagram, I do post it on other social media as well, but they're great. We have a huge team at Crafty Collaboration now that join in every week, full of different inspiration. Like, I can't wait to see when this one does go live. I'm recording this beforehand, obviously, because the team really does approach the colour with just so many variations. It's always really inspiring. So pop over there and make sure that you see what everyone has created and leave a little bit of love as well. Same with this video, please feel free to share it. There's a few little handy hints in it, like colouring your rhinestones with the Stampin' Blends, one of my favourite techniques. But yeah, it's really great if you can share this, and if you aren't already a subscriber, make sure that you are. Very humbled by all of my subscribers over here on YouTube. And there we go, guys, it's finished. Thanks for joining me. Bye bye.